Hello YouTubers, for our Blu-ray update of the week. Yesterday, March 29th, was the release of Tangled, the Rapunzel movie, as in 2-disc Blu-ray and DVD, or as a 4-disc Blu-ray, Blu-ray 3D, DVD and digital copy. Obviously this one's a lot more expensive than this one. I just wanted to show you the different layouts, the different covers it comes with. Let me show you this one without the slip cover. It's pretty much the same, but it's really cool, really embossed. And here is the back cover. And this one, let's put this one aside here for a minute. And this one is the 4-disc. Let's remove the slip cover. As you can see, the slip cover is a lenticular. Okay, upon removing the slip cover, that's the case. It is slightly bigger than the usual, so I'm excited to see what they came up with. And here's the back cover. Just so you know, this edition is a 3D, but does not come with glasses with these movies. I'm just gonna, between these two, obviously this one's a lot my style. I'm gonna open this one, I'm gonna do the unboxing for this one. This one I'm gonna put it back in the slip cover, and it's gonna be for the winner of my next contest. So here's the code for the rewards. Finally, a booklet with the future releases and just a flyer. It's just, as usual, it's just a conventional case for 4. Here's the Blu-ray 3D. Here's the regular Blu-ray. This one is the DVD. And of course the last one is the digital copy. The only special features on the Disney 3D is one trailer. That's it, one trailer for Cars 2. Bummer, nothing else. All the special features are on the regular edition Blu-ray. So now let me show you up close here at the back. And also it has English, French and Spanish as 7.1 DTS HD Master Audio. And it also comes with this nice colorful booklet with our upcoming Blu-rays. Obviously The Incredibles, as we all know, spring. Then we have The Wait Is Over, Lion King. And don't forget, Lion King is going to be released as a 4-disc Blu-ray and also Blu-ray 3D. Going back to the vault. Tron next week. Dumbo, it's already out in UK, Mexico, so this one, Sharpay's Blu-ray, it's a movie all about her. Fox and the Hounds, now that's a movie I want. Fox and the Hound 1 and 2 combo pack, right there, combo pack in Blu-ray. Then we have a couple of holidays in DVD from Beauty and the Beast. And that's it. And once again, let me show you the case I just replaced. 14 millimeters, so it looks a lot more fancy. Regular Blu-ray, 3D and DVD. Alright guys, thanks again for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And if you did, do me a favor and click the like button. And once again, don't forget to subscribe. You know, it's just a click away. And it's free. Thanks guys. See you next time.